Good morning, children. This is our chapter number 1, Geography, and the name of the chapter is Resources, and this is PPT part number 2. PPT part number 1 already I have given to you. So, what are resources? As I told you, resources are the things which can fulfill our needs, are called resources. Now question is that do all resources have economic value? No, all resources don't have economic value. I give you the example of gold. Gold has economic value, but all resources don't have economic value. All resources have a value, but all resources may or may not have an economic value. For example, a clean environment, free water, etc. are resources without economic value of their own. If it is coming in true or false that do all resources have economic value, then your answer will be no. It is false. Now it is very important term children that potential resources. Generally this question comes that define potential resources. First you try to understand it. Some products may become resources in the future. These are potential resources and इस लाइन से तुम्हें समझ नहीं आएगा. सो मैं तुम्हें हिंदी में और खोल के बताती हूँ. वो रिसोर्सेज जिनको हम प्रेजेंट में यूज़ करते हैं लेकिन फ्यूचर के लिए हम बचा कर रखते हैं, वो क्या बोलते हैं? उनको पोटेंशियल रिसोर्सेज बोलते हैं. एंड द रिसोर्सेज विच वी कैन यूज़ इन द present but we save them for coming generation or for future are called potential resources. Here you can take the example of medicinal this thing अपना plant. आपने मेडिसिनल प्लांट लगाया है, उसको तुम सेल करते हो किसके लिए? मेडिसिन के लिए. उसके लिए हमें मेडिसिन मिलेगा फ्यूचर में, तो दैट इज़ द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल. अगेन सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल इज टाइम एंड टेक्नोलॉजी आर टू मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर्स दैट हेल्प कन्वर्ट दिस items into resources. Time and technology, तुम सोच सकते हो earlier that WhatsApp was not available and now everything is on online, classes are online, that hospitals, railway lines, booking, everything you can get done on online. Now ये कैसे possible हुआ? ये with the time and with the technology. So this is again time and technology is the best example of potential resources. Now type of resources. Natural resources and human made resources. As it is clear from the natural resources its name only that what are natural resources. Natural resources are those resources that we can get from the nature. Abundant उसमें हमें मिलते हैं नेचर में. And human made resources are those resources which are made by human. And the natural resources best example is tree. And when tree is converted into furniture, then it becomes the example of human made resources. Natural resources, resources that are drawn from nature and used without much modification are called natural resources. For example, air, water and sunlight. As I told you, बिना किसी छेड़खानी के जो नेचर में हमें अबंडेंट रूप से मिलते हैं, that is called natural resources. And human made resources, I told you that when human convert that natural resources into that with the modification you can say and according to their needs, then those resources become human made resources. And now this is renewable resources. Renewable resources means re means दोबारा बनाना, new means नया करना, means दोबारा किसी चीज़ को हम बनाते हैं, that is called renewable resources children. And these are those which get renewed quickly such as solar energy, wind energy, water, soil and forest etc. एज यू नो सोलर एनर्जी मीन्स दैट सोलर सिस्टम, आजकल हर घर में भी सोलर सिस्टम है. एक बैटरी आती है, उसको हम धूप में रखते हैं एंड देन इट गेट हीटेड एंड अगेन वी कैन यूज़ इट. सो सन इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू वेनिश वेरी सून, तो हम इसको बार बार यूज़ कर सकते हैं. सन से हमें लाइट मिलती है. विंड एनर्जी हमारी मील्स होती हैं, उससे एनर्जी हम क्रिएट करते हैं. वाटर, सॉयल एंड फॉरेस्ट अगेन वी कैन यूज़ एंड अगेन वी कैन. फॉरेस्ट क्या है? हम ट्री लगा सकते हैं दोबारा से. एक बार ट्री ख़त्म भी हो जाता है, ट्री बहुत जल्दी ख़त्म नहीं होता अनटिल अनलेस हम उसको काटे ना. तो अगेन वी कैन grow. So all these are the example of renewable resources, and I hope renewable resources is clear to you. So that's all for today, children, and the next things I will explain in the next slides. Thank you and have a nice day.